Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can download your maps and make it offline. So as you can see over here, I've got this map of West Ryde right here opened up. And since I'm always running around in West Ryde, sometimes I might run out of mobile data because you might exceed mobile data from time to time. Happens a lot. Anyways, I want to have a good old view of what's where. So what do I have to do? You want to press on your name. Once you press on your name, you just want to press on offline maps and then select your own map. From here you can just select the map that you want. This is the entire Ryde right here, and then you just want to press on download, and that's it. It's downloading the maps for you, and that's about it. Once the map's downloaded, this part of the map will always be there even if I don't have internet. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.